People have been asking if money in minutes is actually legit or can you actually borrow money from this platform. So in this video, we'll be looking into the in-depth of the money in minutes reviews, and also we're going to be seeing what people are actually saying about this app while they try to borrow money from the platform. So this is literally like a platform or website where you can actually borrow money for personal use or for business purpose. I'm going to be looking into that so we can see how much you can actually borrow on this platform. So you can see get money in minutes, access quick and affordable finance to fuel your hustle and or attend to urgent need. Join Nigerian First Credit membership. So if you scroll down on this website, so you're gonna see grow as high as you need from 5,000 naira upward, which means you can actually borrow money from money in minutes from 5,000 naira upward. And also, we're going to be checking on what is the maximum amount of money you can borrow from money in minutes. And if you also scroll down, you're going to see that they said it's licensed by the CBN, which is the Central Bank of Nigeria, and also NDPR audit complaint in the year 2022. So they input the logo of the company here as well, which means they provide as much available information to make sure we actually trust them based on how much we want to borrow or borrowing money from their platform. And if you check in here, you're gonna see get it on Google Play Store, which means the app is available on Google Play Store. But then we're gonna be checking that out. But let's explore the website first before we jump into that, where we'll be seeing different reviews from people who have already borrowed or tried to borrow money from money in minutes platform in Nigeria. So build a financial lifestyle that works for you. Quick loan, flexibility, growth, value, and some other features which of course they believe you're gonna be interested in. And if you also scroll down the website, you can see gain control over your financial well-being by being able to borrow money from this platform. So you can view and track your credit score in real time, lifetime benefit from a positive credit rating, financial well-being powered by access to finance, full control that guarantee ease of mind. And if you also click on here, you're gonna see the loan offer, which of course they provide. So I'm gonna check on that while I walk you through that particular page. Then from there, we will head up to Google Play Store to check on the app, then we'll be able to see what people are actually saying about this app. If, of course, we can trust the app to borrow money from them or not. And also, we're going to be looking at the interest rate so you can see if it's going to favor you when you borrow money from the app, or you should just consider borrowing money from another platform instead. So you can see on the more section here, you can see where they offer a loan without collateral, loan in Nigeria, personal loan, get loan fast, and instant loan. So these all are different features which of course they offer on money in minutes. And you can check on the address on the left side here where you see their official address, physical address, I mean at Lekki Phase 1, Lagos, Nigeria. So that is their official office address. And you can see the contact us section where you see customer customer care at moneyinminutes.ng, then their phone number here as well. So if you have any complaint, you can reach out to them. And on the social media, you can also reach out to them on Money in Minutes, NG, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and also LinkedIn. So these are the available social media, which of course they provided. And if you want to check on the company bio, you can read on the About Us section here. So you can get to know much about the Money in Minutes platform. So yeah, I'm gonna check on this particular page where they said yes to everyone who is actually interested in borrowing money from the platform. So you can see we have built a wide range of products to help you access abundant finance for various needs and purposes. And if you click on get started here, it means you are very ready to borrow money from their platform. But then if I scroll down, you're gonna see fun to get you one step ahead. So you can see credit builder and credit builder plus loan. So basically, if you just want to build your credit, you can click on any one of them and then you'll be able to proceed on to the next one. And simple as ABC, where you are trying to borrow money from the platform. So you can see the step one where you access your loan by completing your registration and creating your profile on Money in Minutes. And for the step two, meet your needs and go with a loan disbursed into your account in minutes. And for the step three, control your financial well-being by repaying your loan on time or early to enjoy even more benefits. So these are very straightforward. So what I'm trying to say here is that for you to be able to get a loan from Money in Minutes, you have to create an account on their website or through their app. Then you fill in the information, which of course they provided, and you make sure everything is accurate. And once you are done with that, you wait for them to approve all the information you provided and how much you actually want to borrow. Then from there, you can move on to the step three, where it's exactly you have to pay back the money. So let's say you actually borrow like 100,000 naira loan and you choose to pay back in the next 2 months. So you have to make sure your 2 months is 2 months and nothing exceed that. So with that, if you are able to pay back the loan as fast as possible, that means you have access to even borrow more money than just that 100K. If that's your limit for the first borrower. So that is exactly what they are saying. So for you to get started going on their profile, so you have to just create an account, choose your desired loan and get Money in Minutes into your bank account when you actually apply for a loan. And there is a different loan tenor, which of course they provided on their website. So we're gonna be checking on that and see what is inside and how does it really work. And scrolling, I'm gonna see some reviews that are actually on their website, but basically, I personally don't like review through websites, so I'll prefer review through Google Play Store or Apple App Store. But then, since they are not available on Apple App Store, I think we're gonna be making use of the Google Play Store reviews, which of course that is a real-time review that people are actually dropping on the app. So there's no way they can actually trick that. So it's from real people that drop a review about them. So we're gonna check that out, which is on this page. So you can see Money in Minutes, MIM Finance Company, and you can see they already have 10,000 downloads on this app. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see this is the exact same app. So you can see how it looks like. So there is nothing different. And if you scroll down, you're gonna be seeing some other features. If you click on the about the app, so you're gonna see uh the loan tenor example. So like say you borrow 100,000 naira loan with APR of 180% per annum, with a loan tenor of 2 months, which is 60 days. So here you can see the interest rate will be 30,000 naira for uh 2 months, which is 60 days, which means 15,000 naira per month, which will be the interest rate that you're gonna be paying. So two monthly payments will be 65,000 naira. So which means you don't have to pay back the whole money in just 1 month. So you can actually divide it into two, while you pay 65,000 naira for the first month and then 65,000 naira for the second month, and that make it 130,000, and there's no extra charges or extra cost. So you can say some customer may be charged a late fee if you actually late before you pay back the money. That is just for that. So, but then if you are not late, I'm not sure they're gonna charge you anything extra. So you can see how it works, and they also explain the loan features, easy and access to affordable finance, and then build your credit profile, get up to 150% of your salary in 10 minutes, then flexible repayment option, no collateral and paperwork, enjoy lower interest rates and loan amount from 5,000 naira to 5 million naira. That is all depend on how much you literally want to borrow from the app. And then if you also scroll down on the about us section, you're gonna be seeing some other features which of course you might be very much interested in.